Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by making sure you have administrator access because uninstalling system apps needs it. Once done, close Sideloadly and any related processes so files aren't locked. Now open Windows settings via Start or press Win+I. This puts you directly where app management lives. You're doing this to remove program files cleanly and avoid leftover services. Next, navigate to apps to find installed programs. This step moves you from preparation into the actual removal workflow. You now find Sideloadly in Apps and Features and initiate its uninstall. Click the entry, hit Uninstall, and confirm any prompts. Make sure to approve using administrator consent when Windows asks. Follow the program's uninstaller steps. Choose to remove bundled drivers or helper tools if you don't need them. Once the uninstaller runs, it deletes main files and registry entries. This is why you approved admin rights. After the process completes, Windows may request a reboot to finish cleaning locked components. Once the uninstaller finishes, restart Windows if prompted to release locked files and services. After reboot, check Task Manager for any remaining Sideloadly processes and end them if found. Then inspect %app data and program files for leftover folders and delete them manually to remove residual configs. Finally, confirm removal in Settings right arrow Apps or Control Panel. If uninstall fails, run the program's installer again and choose Repair or use Microsoft.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.